In this video, you'll learn about the pricing plans available on IsolatedStudy, including details about the free trial. Please note, prices may change over time. For the latest pricing, visit the link in the description or contact us via WhatsApp or email. Let's start with the best part. No matter which short-term plan you choose, you get access to the same powerful features and tools. Here's what's included in every plan. Access to 36+ advanced AI models, including ChatGPT 4.5, GPT 4.1 Mini, GPT 3.5, Turbo Claude, Haiku, Sonnet, Opus, Google Gemini 2.5 Flash Pro, Meta Facebook Llama, all latest versions, DeepSeek, Gemini 2, 9B+, and more, free. Unlimited access to 20+ complimentary models in every plan. Powerful features included in all plans: image creation, multi-format document upload, PDF, Word, HTML, etc. Screen capture analysis, voice input, speak output, audible responses. So whether you're generating content, solving homework, analyzing documents, or chatting with AI, these features are fully unlocked in every short-term plan. Pricing and token difference. Now let's talk about the difference. It's only in the number of tokens you get each month. More tokens mean more usage, so choose based on how much you plan to use the AI tools. Basic plan, R400 month, 455 200 tokens month. Perfect for light users who want to explore or use occasionally. Standard plan, S900 month, 1,024,200 tokens month. Ideal for regular users who use AI tools frequently across models and features. Premium plan, R1,400 month, 276,000 tokens month. Best for heavy users, educators, professionals, creators, and AI enthusiasts who use multiple models daily. International pricing. For users outside India, pricing is converted and billed monthly via PayPal or Binance. The respective USD prices are visible on the payment page. No matter which long-term plan you choose, you get full access to all features and tools, just like the short-term plans. Here's what every plan includes. 36+ AI models, including Open AI models, GPT 4.5, O3 Mini, O1, O4 Mini, GPT 4.1 Mini, GPT 3.5, Turbo Google Gemini, 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro Preview, 1.5 Pro Claude by Anthropic, 3.5 Haiku, 3 Haiku, 3.7 Sonnet, 3.5 Sonnet, 3 Sonnet, 3 Opus Meta, Facebook Llama, latest versions. DeepSeek Gemma 2 9B 20+ complimentary AI models. Free, unlimited usage on all plans. Other tools available: AI image creation, multi-format document support, PDF, DOCX, HTML, etc. Screen capture analysis, voice, input, speak output, audible responses. Long-term pricing. Breakdown: basic plan, 1,000, 3 months, 1,365 600 tokens. Ideal for light but consistent users. Cost-effective for trying AI without frequent top-ups. Standard plan, Rs 2,500, 6 months. Most popular, 300 to 200 tokens. Great for students and professionals using AI regularly. Balanced between price and performance. Premium plan, are 4,500, 6 months, £30, 400 tokens. Best for power users, educators, creators, AI developers. Maximum value, plus token limit to explore everything IsolatedStudy offers. International billing info. For users outside India, billing is done in USD via PayPal or Binance, with amounts approximately $15 for basic, 3 months, $30 for standard, 6 months, $54 for premium, 6 months. Important reminder, complimentary models are unlimited in usage on all plans. Features remain the same. The only difference is the token quantity and duration. Prices may change over time, so always confirm via the official website or support. Right now, IsolatedStudy.in. is offering a 7-day free trial for all new users. You'll get 1,000 tokens to explore the platform. But note, image creation is not included in the trial. For that, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Visit the official website or contact support to activate your trial. It's fast, free, and the perfect way to try before you buy.